Abu Dhabi's economy expanded an inflation-adjusted 5.2% in 2013, a much slower rate than the government had previously estimated, but still higher than 4.8% in 2012. The figure from the Statistics Centre Abu Dhabi was much lower than an estimate in February by the Emirates Department of Economic Development, which said real GDP grew 7.4% last year, compared with 5.6% in 2012. According to DED officials quoted in local reports, the big difference in the two growth figures for last year was partly due to a difference in the two institutions' estimates of oil prices. The contribution of the hydrocarbons sector to Abu Dhabi's GDP edged down to 51.4% in 2013 from 52.4% in the previous year. Abu Dhabi accounts for about two-thirds of the roughly $400 billion UAE economy and almost all of its crude oil exports. The UAE ranking has improved among the world's top countries for foreign direct investment, becoming the 11th most attractive destination for FDI in 2014. According to global consultancy A.T. Kearney, the UAE was the only country from the Middle East and Africa to be ranked among the top 25 countries, ranking 14th in the world for FDI in 2013. According to local reports, the key factor that contributed to the upward ranking was the UAE firms, increasing their foreign ownership ceilings prior to MSCI upgrade of the UAE from frontier to emerging market status. The Emirate has also been ranked in the top 10 countries for positive outlook. In the survey conducted by A.T. Kearney, 39% of the respondents rated the UAE outlook more positive compared to 2012 and ranked it 6th worldwide for the most positive outlook. A number of UAE companies, including Dubai Investments, Diyar, Union Properties, Mashreq and others have announced lifting of foreign ownership ceiling. A.T. Kearney said FDI in the hospitality business is expected to increase as Dubai prepares to host the 2020 World Expo. The total investment needed for the event is $8.8 billion, including plans to double the number of hotel rooms in Dubai. Globally, the US topped the index for the second consecutive year, demonstrating sustained investor confidence in the strength of its ongoing economic recovery. After the US, other top 10 countries are China, Canada, UK, Brazil, Germany, India, Australia, Singapore and France. The UAE has been named as the world's most popular migration destinations for professionals, according to a survey of LinkedIn's 300 million members. LinkedIn, the world's largest online professional network, on Tuesday announced the results of a global study that tracked talent migration among its members. From a list of 20 nations, the UAE emerged as the leader in attracting talent, gaining 1.3% as a percentage of its total workforce in a 12-month period. Of this talent inflow, 75% was from outside the Middle East, and more than 40% reported a new role with a promotion and higher designation. This latest study shows that two Middle Eastern nations, UAE and Saudi Arabia, have gained talent at 1.3% and 0.9% respectively. According to LinkedIn, India, the UK and Pakistan were the top three countries from where professionals moved to the UAE, and the top three industry sectors that attracted the most talent were management and leadership, engineering and sales.